Hello everyone, and today we're come back to get 1500 Elo in FIDE and let's play. Okay, have the game. Let's play e6 for a first move. Who played French defense? Okay, he played the London system like this, and he wants to play e3 in the system that I said to you. So in this position, let's play the move d5. We control the center. And now I recommend to you to play a really good system to play c5. You want to destroy the center. Knight c6. You can see that we get all the center. And then we play the move bishop d6. The idea of this move is to exchange this really good bishop here and get the e5 square to block the knight. So now he played castle. Castle, if we open the game with e5, the problem is our king is not safe. So we play castle first. And then we play the move e5 to control the center and get all the center. You can see that is really good. You can see now in this position he has to take on e5, but he played the move e4. So we can take on d4 and win the pawn, but with pawn. If we take with this pawn, we can have something with e5 maybe or not. Okay, let's take with this first, and then if we take, we can take with the e pawn, and we get a pawn. Maybe bishop g4 at some point is really good. Okay, if we take now, I'm not scared about it, because we can take, take, take. Okay, this may be good. Take, take, and queen takes. We have a really good position. But queen takes d5 is also a really good move. Bishop c4, queen c5, and we get the pawn. So let's play queen takes d5, and let's don't play some complicated line with d takes c3. Bishop c4, we played queen c5. Okay, he take on d4. Maybe we take with the knight. After knight takes, we play queen takes or pawn takes, and then maybe get bishop g4. He take now. I can take with the queen. Maybe I take with the queen or the pawn. Let's take with the pawn to create a pass pawn and get some advantage. Bishop g4 it goes at some point to develop our pieces, or maybe bishop e6, rook fd8, bishop c4, a really good move. With queen c5, rook c1 is really annoying, maybe, but we don't have a lot of square. Queen d6, bishop b4, at some point he has knight c4. So maybe queen c5, rook c1, and queen b6. And we attack the b2 pawn with tempo, and maybe protect d4 also with tempo, so it's really good. And then maybe bishop f5, rook e8, rook d8. Now attention, really good move. Now he wants second f7. If we not here, if we want to be attention, we have to see it. So let's play bishop e6. We take with it the queen. And now we will want to exchange pieces to get some extra pawn in this. So maybe exchange pieces to get some advantages. So rook c8, rook d8. Put the rook in open file is important. So rook c1, I play rook c8, and maybe bishop c4. Okay, let's play rook c8. You put the rook, I put the rook. You can't take on e6 because I can take on c2, rook takes c2, and rook takes c2, and I win a rook. So now you can play bishop b3, but I will exchange pieces. Okay, now he blunder. If I take, maybe I take with the queen. I win the bishop because he blunder. Simple chess. We take with the pawn. Have a really not really good structure, but we have an extra bishop here, an extra pawn, and our king can go to h8, and it's maybe good. But if you don't have some extra pieces, it's really not good this position. Queen d2. Now let's attack this. Maybe let's play queen takes a2 or not. Let's play queen t5. Protect this pawn and maybe get the queen at this. Queen here I played queen 5, exchange queen. He can't check because the bishop control is square. It's really important, these two pieces. Really strong. Now we can exchange pieces, liquid pieces, because we have an extra bishop, extra pawn, so this position is just completely winning. Just have to play better in this position. Better like now we can play precise by d3, exchange pieces. Okay, really good position. Queen h4. Now exchange the rook, and after rook takes, maybe put the rook this to support the pawn to queen, and then maybe queen g5. But now f4 he just blunder because there is just queen s3 to take the rook and check the queen, and my opponent resign. And we get to the analyst. Let's go to analyst and see what we do. Analyze our computer and let's see. I think we have a very good game. Um, I think because we don't get some really. You can see that my system against the London system is really good. You can just play e5 and your pieces is going immediately, so it's really good. Oh, we make two impression. What? Let's see. Can we have some mistake? No. Okay. We do some not mistake. This good. You can see that my system is really strong. E4 blunder. We can take with the C's. Important. Take. Queen takes. Take. Knight takes d4. Impression. Have to play e4 in this position, but I'm not sure about bishop c4, queen f5. Okay, I'm not really sure about it. I'm not really. Okay. Maybe in this position I think knight takes d4 is okay, and e takes d4. We just want to create a pass pawn in this position. Okay, why not? Queen c5 to get on b6. You can see queen c2, bishop b6, rook c1, rook c8, knight e5, and now he just blunder, and then you can see that this position is just completely winning. Just mod the pawn on queen and win. And that is for this game. And thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.